Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to your Eufy C28 using the Eufy app. If you're interested in the C28, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have linked our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, and our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the video description. So without further ado, we have our C28 right here in the Eufy app downloaded. We've signed into our account where we can view and manage all of our devices in here. And you'll notice we have different segments at the top for our lights, our clean, or our security. So you have one app from Eufy that covers all their products, which is great to see. So for us, top right-hand corner, hit the plus icon, select add a device, go to the clean tab. We want to choose the C-series vacuums, and we want to add the Omni C28. Make sure it's powered on, which our unit is, then hit next. Now we need to reset the device. So press and hold both buttons for about 3 seconds.
Wi-Fi has been reset.
We got the voice confirmation.
Instructions in the app to connect to the network.
Next. Now it's searching for it. It found it. We're going to connect to it. At this stage, we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So 10% in, we got the Wi-Fi prompt. That connection was successful. The app has updated there. So now it says we're ready. And we're taken to our Eufy app again where we can see the device. So we just need to select and tap the image of the product. And now we're taken to this screen where there's an update prompt for us. So let's go ahead and select the upgrade now. I highly recommend that you update the firmware as soon as possible and then leave it on auto update. So in this case, it's not in the base station, so let's go back and let's try that again. Hit upgrade now. So it's in the station now. You'll notice it says charging 95%. So let's hit that again. Hit upgrade now. And we're taken back here, and the checklist is showing that everything's good for the conditions. Let's go ahead and upgrade now.
Please wait. System updating.
I highly recommend too toggling on auto update as well. But we'll wait for the update to complete, and then we'll be able to go back into the device settings. Okay, it was hung on 95 for a while, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes at the 95% mark, which it's still showing in the app, but the vacuum itself just gave us, it said charging and then update complete. So we just heard some of that, and now the app is caught back up. So all in, give it probably 5-ish minutes, give or take, for the firmware update. Now we can hit that blue back button. We're back in here. Let's tap on the image again. And now we're taken into the app for the first time. They walk you through getting the device ready. And here we go. So we're on the main screen here. The next step for us will be to create a map. But it's simple and straightforward to get everything set up. The longest part will be any firmware update. It won't actually be the physical setup. Just select your device, enter your Wi-Fi information, let them pair together, do the firmware update, and then you're in the app and you're ready to go to start using your Eufy C28.